M0FXB Hamtech on the TinyGS system. We've just loaded the firmware to our Heltec version 3 device using this page, and we literally just clicked install. Okay, we connected to the COM port by finding it using the Windows square down here, right click, device manager, and our COM port number is 29. And then just go try again when you get that. If you click 29 and then just upload, I've already done mine, so I'm not going to do it again. When it finished, we managed to get to, let's find the right page, this page. The way we did that is, if you look at my device, it actually showed an IP number. So that on first boot up, it showed this, connect to AP. Yeah, so that's nice and easy. You put that IP. Now remember, when you do that, effectively, I suppose you're losing your internet. So go to your where you would find your Wi-Fi, bottom here. So I'll click mine, go like so, and then the Wi-Fi you're going to connect to is called my TinyGS. Okay, it says no internet, so you hopefully, let's move my photograph out of the way so you can see that. Right, apologies for that. So click that again, and then we'll click the Wi-Fi, and look, my TinyGS. So that's great. It's easy to load the firmware. They've done all the hard work for you. It gives you an IP address. Hopefully you've got the correct module, which is 430 megahertz, not 868. Once you've done that, you put the IP address in, which I've done, 192.168.4.1, and then let's just go through this. Let's have a look here what it says. So station dashboard, which I've got already, but don't forget, nothing is connected. I'm literally just practicing setting up, so that's cool. Let's just go, we'll open different windows for each. So we'll go copy, and I'll paste a new window here on this, paste. Okay, that's our dashboard. Then we'll go back to where we were. And the learning thing that we're looking at here is that we are not connected to the MQTT server, but we can get a username and password automatically. Watch this. You go to this bot, and I'll put the link in the description. You click send message, and then when you do, it gives you a username and password that you can use for the MQTT server. Right, and it says that our Wi-Fi is not connected as well. Listening to, and it's waiting. Laura, Friggs, nothing is coming through because we're not properly connected, but we're having great fun learning. So we're going to go back to the configuration, go back one, and configure parameters. And this is where you configure everything. Okay, I'm brand new to all of this, so password for this dashboard, user admin, the Wi-Fi and the password, so we can get our location in as well. Longitude, latitude. It's really important that you get this right. Server address, MQTT username, password. It gave me that. The board type, 433 Heltec LoRa. That's great. OLED, and what's this? Advanced config. Do not modify unless you know. So I'm not going to do that bit. So I'm going to fill all that in now, and then click apply. So remember, it's at the top. The ground station name will be seen on the map, so I'm going to change that to probably just add the word M0FXB. M0FXB. Okay. Have a look. Password for the dashboard, I'm not going to tell you that. Username and location. Oh, time zone. So let me fill it out, and then we'll come back. And just note that the username is admin. It does say here, password for this dashboard will be admin. Okay, so we've got all that in, and we're going to click apply. Please enter a valid value. The two nearest valid values are 5.51.365. Okay, so we just too many digits there. Okay. That's fine, and then we'll try again, apply, and it's going to be the same with the location. We've just got to delete till we go back to the 1, apply, And once we do this, we should be able to get our internet back. That's the idea behind it. Fingers crossed. And we use this site for getting our longitude, latitude. It's called langlot.net. Let's see what happens next. And it's told me to connect back to it again. So we've done that, same IP address at the moment. Okay, I'm not sure what upload new version does. Just going to click that just for the fun. Not sure if we even need to do that. Let's go back to the IP address. Okay, now we're going to hit restart station. And then we'll just see if we can find ourselves on the web. We've gone back to the dashboard. It says we're still not connected. It's still, aha, something's happening. That's changed from nothing to having something. So I did actually get a message from the Telegram saying congratulations, you're up and running. So that's good news. I'm not really sure what to do next, but you know, we've got some messages here. It's still not showing that, but we're not. What I'm waiting for is actually an IP address that you know, that's public rather than this. So I'm just gonna go to the normal internet like so and see if I can just see myself. And I'm sure that there'll be a different IP address for this. Someone let me know, give me some teaching. And like my location is sort of around here, look, but this isn't it, but there's some other stations there. So okay, we'll keep trying. I'll reboot it. When I click here, user console, it's showing me there. Okay, it's showing this dashboard. I haven't really connected an antenna to it yet. Online. So something's happening. Ah, there's an IP address. That's what I needed. Open link in new browser. Which is .0111. That's better. That's what I wanted to see on my actual dashboard. So go station dashboard, and we've got our username and password that we'll just do now. And just remember that the username is admin. Right. It's definitely up and running now. Although the screen of my device doesn't show a different IP address, at the end of the day, we are up and running. CRC error, data cannot be received, fair enough. But that's the process to getting this up and running. Yeah, I'm going to go back to see what else I can look at. Upload version, restart station, station dashboard. So definitely better. Look at that, was there before it was like that. So definitely frequency, LoRa, swarm, last packet received, frequency error. Okay, we got something wrong there. Ready. So I feel like we're up and running now. Just going to look around this dashboard here. Click this. It says M0FXB. That's good. It's showing my location here anyway. And yeah, that is roughly, yeah, very near to where I live. And I've got another device here that I can use as well. Just the T-beam. That's just the Heltec version 3. And let's have a look here. Okay, ground station. Not sure what that is. Interesting though. Auto update on. Test mode is off. Auto tuning 433. I'll add a better antenna as well. So on the left here, look at all this. I've just clicked packets. What's that? Wow. Stations. M0FXB. I found me. La 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 la. There's my ground station details, my location. I recognize that. We've got passes, ongoing. Active satellites. Swarm satellites. Starlink satellites. So it's, you know, it's a hobby thing, isn't it? Let's move all my stuff out of the way. Okay, leave that like that. Inactive satellites. Future satellites. Very nice. Balloons. Back to home. There we are. Let's see if we reload. Let's see if I show up now. Or is it only showing satellites? I don't know. I bet it's warmer in Italy. Yay, we're on there. Still got some more learning and setting up to do, but I feel like we've got there now. I'm enjoying this actually. Connected. Bye for now, 7-3. Thanks for watching my channel. I hope this helps everyone. Bye for now.